Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually play the PUBG game and play the YouTube videos at same time by using the floating window tips and tricks in the POCO X3 device. So these are video friends which will be very much beneficial for you all in case if you want to play the PUBG game and watch the YouTube videos. Not only the PUBG game, play the Free Fire game or Call of Duty game, any other game doesn't matter. How you can actually do while playing the game and watch the videos. In this video, I'll be trying to demonstrate you how you can do that, and make sure to follow me regularly and check the links in description for what wallpapers I'm using, and follow the playlist of the POCO X3 smartphone in case if you want to know more details about the phone, whether to buy or not. So let's get started. So first step is that you need to open the YouTube application, not the PUBG game. First open the YouTube application. So once you open the YouTube application as a small floating window, so if you are unable to open the YouTube application as a small floating window, try to watch my video which I will be uploading on how you can use the YouTube as a floating window as well. Try to check that video in case if you are troubling with that. So now you need to open the PUBG game. So after the YouTube, the reason why, because in the sidebar here you do get this kind of option where you can open the plenty of all the applications in the small pop-up window apart from the YouTube application. So you don't get any kind of YouTube application here for opening in the small pop-up window and for small floating window like this. So that's why you need to use this kind of technique where you need to first enable the YouTube application first and then open the PUBG game. So right now you can see, friend, the video is running in the background and you can change everywhere if you want, and you can play the PUBG game at same time as well. As you can see here, still the video is going on. In that way, I am doing the Antutu benchmark test in that video, so which has the biggest Antutu benchmark test in my channel. So try to check that video as well. But overall, there is a technique how you can actually play the PUBG game and listen to the YouTube music at same time. So both volumes will be playing at same time, YouTube and the game volume as well. So that's another thing you need to take care of that. Either you need to disable the PUBG game volume while listening to the music, as you can see, friends. So now let me try to show you what is the FPS count at the time and what is the GPU and CPU usage as well. If you are using the two YouTube and playing the PUBG game at same time, you can see what is the FPS count we are getting at the moment and GPU CPU usage as well. So this is how you can actually play the PUBG game and watch the YouTube videos at the same time, friends, in the POCO X3. So for more tips and tricks, make sure to follow me regularly, because every day I'll be trying to post new and plenty of more and more tricks on the POCO X3 device and other smartphones as well. So make sure to follow me regularly for the more updates on the POCO X3 smartphone, so that you never miss any other videos which I am doing in the POCO X3 device. But overall looks good and playing very smooth, so without any lag as well while watching the YouTube videos and playing the game at same time. No issues at all. And the graphics, you can see smooth and ultra graphics I am trying to play here. So if you tap once, you can get this kind of full screen experience, and you can change the video if you want in the YouTube, and just swipe again, it will become small window. So that's it, friends. This is a quick tip how you can actually play the YouTube video while playing the PUBG game at the same time. So this is not the scenario which every day we'll be using this kind of method, but this once in a while, maybe if you want to watch the tutorial or something like that, this will be very much beneficial for you in case if you're planning to do that one. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.